This is mezcal, coconut water, lime juice, sal de gusano, salt with the worm in it that they use in the mezcal, and chili pepper. So we're gonna put this lime all around the glass. This is a nice trick that my friend showed me, and then we're going to get it all on the edges of the glass. We're gonna get the sal de gusano. So we get that around the edges, and then we're gonna add the ice. We're gonna squeeze out the lime. Probably a whole lime is good. And then we're gonna add coconut water. And then some mezcal. Ooh, that's a strong one. And then we're gonna get the chile serrano in there. And this is actually one of the most unique things about this drink is these little chiles, because the trick is to let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, and all the flavors mix, the ice mixes in, and you can have this delicious drink. Sorry.